Alright guys, so welcome back to our channel once again, and in this video I want to talk about tiny bars. I've seen a lot of questions, people asking about how to mine this airdrop. Why? Because this is a very good alpha, a new airdrop, as well as this airdrop was shielded by major airdrop. Okay, so they work hand in hand. Also, it has just 100 million total supply. I know what that means. It means that the listing price is going to be as high as possible. So if you've not started or you've joined and you don't know how to mine it, then kindly watch this video as I'm going to show you. And if you've not joined, you can just check the video description to get the link and start mining now. Okay. So it's very simple to do. What you need to do is just to collect stardust, which you are going to use as your allocation. Okay. Now you can start from here. So here you're going to see your this is the date you join. Then this is your rating, more like leaderboard. Okay. Then you can copy your referral link from here and share with your friends. Then this is your galaxy position. Okay. I'll just click on the referral link and it will be copied. So that is just it for this place. Now here now, once you click on this place, you can boost your earning one. Then you can create gifts. So once you click on create gifts, you are going to see the numbers of stardust you have, which I have 288 at the moment. Okay. So now if you want to create stars, you can just any amount of stars you want to create. It means you are going to buy the stars, Telegram stars. So the use of the star is to expand your influence and of course delight the recipient. So we are going to create stars and gifts to other users. Alright. So that is it for there. Now here is where you're going to collect your stardust. Okay. So as you can see, this it is reading from the energy is reading from 1% to 100%. Okay. So at any point in time you come across it, you can claim it at any percent. So let's claim it at level now. Now I've gotten 22. Okay. So why I got 22 is because I boosted earlier. So any percentage you collect, you're going to get it at that percent. So you can see it has moved from 270 something to 310. Okay. So that is how you are going to collect. If you collect at 10%, you're going to get 10 stardust. If you collect at 1%, that is 1 stardust. But if you've boosted your earning, everything you do is going to multiply into 2. Okay. And equally click on add stars. So this way I've explained before. Expand your galaxy by adding stars. Stars accelerate stardust generation. Watch it go. So you can decide to create as many stars as possible by buying them, right? Then here you can change this interface and it's going to be more of like viewing other people's profile, perhaps the people you referred. So what you can do is you can decide to give the person stars. As you give them stars, your earning is going to increase. Then if you are not interested in doing that, then come back to your own interface and everything is going to display. Okay. So now I'm going to collect at 2% again. All right. So normally if you collect at 2%, you're going to have 2 stardust. But because I've boosted, I'm going to collect 4. You can see, just watch and see now. It's a bit slow. All right, you can see I've even gotten 5. So that's just how to mine and how to maximize the use of your boost. So it's as simple as this, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also join us in our Telegram channel with the link in the video description. I hope to see you in my next video.